Hey there, Alex Payne here, and in this video we're going to be looking at the pocket option platform. It's the one option for you to do binary options. The way you access this platform is just by clicking the link below this video or somewhere in the comments, and you should be able to access this platform and come straight to this page, which is the home page of this platform. You can go ahead and basically type in your email, password, and so forth, and then you can go and do the login. It's a free registration. If you don't feel like doing the registration right off the bat, you can always go to where it says free demo, and you can go and log in right into the platform, and you can start just basically practicing with fake money. It gives you a video tutorial here. It's got continued demoing, and that's what we're going to choose. So basically, you've got the platform right here at the very top. At some point, if you wanted to activate, then all you have to do is just come in here and then look for, live account overall statistics. Let's see, no, not viewer demo. Let's see, profile, open live account. So that's where you would go. Under open live, then you register. Let's see if I can just sign up whatever email, and if it's going to take it. Select that, check that box, and boom. All right, so that's that. So I'm registered, and you'll see different options for you to load or fund your account with a credit card, and different cryptocurrencies and different e-payments. What I would recommend you to do, obviously, is to first make sure to verify your information. So you can go to profile, and then right here, confirm your email. You have to confirm your email and then fill out the information with your name, phone number, date of birth, and then upload documents. Once you have everything finalized, they'll send you a notification that your account is verified. Then you can easily start funding your account, like with cryptocurrencies and so forth. Now, if you just want to practice for now, just let's go to trading right here to the left, and then click trading real account. Oops. Sorry, it's the other one. Trading here, quick trading demo account. Okay, so you're going to be right in here. Continue demo account. All right, so a quick tour, and I'm going to show you how I like to set up and do the different things with the pocket option. Okay, so first off, I don't like the controls here because it takes a lot of my screen, and obviously these platforms, they not only pocket option but any platform, especially with binary options, they try to make sure that the screen is all kind of really not good for you to trade and see what the market is doing. So the first thing I would do is just get rid of this thermometer, so to speak, and just click X. The other thing is estimated X. The controls, I would click the little arrow, and then it goes to the side. Okay, so it's out of the way, X out of this. So I want the charts to be completely clean so I can easily see the chart. Right next to it, you've got, or to the right, you have open and close. If I, let's see, I click here. Let's go back in here, not profile, quick trading account. I'm trying to close this. Yeah, you click on trade, and then you can open this little tab. So it's the open and close. Here's where you would see the open orders and close the ones that's the past history. So if you click trades, it's going to minimize this so you can see the controls a little bit better. Okay, to the left, you see the pairs. If you click here, we are in the OTC. It's over the weekend. OTC does not work with Money Sniper, our automatic tool to analyze the market. So this, because pocket option in any broker, they have their own chart, so it's not going to match with the live forex market. So if it says OTC, do not use it with Money Sniper. Always use Money Sniper with during the week. But here's where you have the pairs. So let's say you have a list of pairs that at the top you can change between cryptocurrencies, the currencies, stocks, and so forth. We trade currencies. So let's say I want the AUD CHF, and I just click, and it's going to open a little tab right here, and I'll be on the chart. So if I click on another one, it's going to open, and it's going to switch there. But if I want to keep the tab all at the top, I just click the star. So let's say I want to open, let's say 6 pairs. All I did was just click on the star button, and then now I can switch back and forth between all these pairs. Okay. Also, if you click this little arrow down, you'll see that's auto connect. Very important. Make sure that this is connected, because it's going to find the closest server to where you're located, so you have a better connection. Okay. Next to the pair, you're going to have where you can see the different types of candles. We use the candles here. If you want to switch it to lines, you can. So it's just going to show like this, or area, which is pretty cool as well. But you can't analyze anything here, which it's fine if we're using Money Sniper. So let's switch to candles. And here are the different time frames that is available. We use M1, which is for 1 minute. If you want to switch to M5, it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, and so forth. If you want to switch the candle colors, then you can just click here and then switch the candles. We don't mess with that. Also important is the enable timer, to see how much time you'll have left for the end of this candle. So if you click here, now you have the timer. If I have for 1 minute right here, let's switch to 1 minute. Now each candle, it means that it's a 1 minute. So at the end of the minute, this candle is going to close and it's going to open or start a new one. And right here you can see that we are with 43 seconds left for this candle to close, to finish. And then another one is going to show up. So very important there. To the right, again, you've got the controls. At the very top is the expiration. So right now, if I clicked any of the buttons, from the time I clicked to the expiration is going to be 30 seconds. We normally, if you want to just switch for more time, just click the little clock. And then now it gives you 1 minute, and you can just click that and select, 5 minutes, 3 to 1 minute, or just plus and minus there. And you can see that it basically gives you where it's going to end. Okay, so let's switch back to 1 minute per se. And the amount, here's the amount. You just click the number, and then you can easily put 10 bucks right here. Again, we are in the demo account. If you want to, once you start with real money, you click here and you can switch back and forth between the live account and the demo account. And you can always top it up, add more money, fake money to this account. Okay, so let's say I'm going to show you how to set the place a trade, for instance. So we've got to 1 minute, right? And I'm going to wait for this candle to close, and I'm just going to place an order. It's paying 80%, as you can see, 80%. I do not recommend to take trades if it's paying less than 70%. So 6, 5, 4, we're going to go up, 3, 2, 1, and then I click. Now I place the trade, $10. Now if the price at the end of the 1 minute ends above my line, I win, and then I make basically 80% of my initial bid, which was $10. So I would make $88. If I lose, then I lose the total of the $10. Okay. Obviously, I just randomly picked a direction without analyzing the market, without looking at Money Sniper, which gives us an extremely high accuracy and chances to win. So we'll see what happens, movement happening and back and forth. So 20 seconds left, 19, 18, and so forth. Well, anyways, that's it. We're gonna lose this trade. It's fine. And then at the very top here, we've got indicators. So if you click indicators, you have a bunch of other things. You have the moving average, stochastics, super trend, MACDs. If you use any of this, obviously we've got the. So it's asking us to get signals and stuff like that. I don't recommend. But if you know how to use any of these indicators through our forex course, then you can easily access and add it here. For instance, the RSI, just click it and boom, you've got the RSI. Easily to change, just click the pencil and then you have the different options. The drawing tools, you've got the horizontal line, So it just inserts on the chart. You can put in here, let's say the trend line. It's a little bit tricky to work with it, but basically you can add all the different tools that we've got here. And what else we've got here? This is social trading, market watch, and the trade monitor. That's in case you want that here again. Then you can go to this part right here and click like the monitor right there. We don't want that, we don't want that, and that's it. Okay, so let me place a trade again. I'm gonna place up just randomly. One thing very important, I clicked, so I have until like 13, for instance, there's 10 seconds left for me to place a trade before, for this own candle, for this candle, to end this candle. Okay, so basically it gives me 30 seconds. I just place another trade, and you can see now I've got one that's expiring here at the top that I clicked before, like about with 1 minute, and this one I clicked before my 30 seconds was up, so it was for the same candle. So if you want to use some sort of strategy that requires 30 seconds, then you can use that, or just switch here, click on the banner, and then now anytime you click, from where you click to the expiration is going to be 30 seconds. All right, so we basically won one and lost the other one. 20, yeah, I think we tied one. So once I place, I'm going to place another trade going up. All right, so once I place the trade, if I go under trade, I can see what it's open, right? So I've got one that's open. If it's 0, obviously I'm losing. And if it has, let's see if it's going to go up above my line, you'll see that it's going to switch back to green, meaning the amount that you're winning, that you're going to win. And then the close are the trades that I place. So, you know, I lost one, lost another one. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, we've got some other things, like they have achievements, they gamify it a lot. So the marketplace, I don't use any of that. You know, you're more than welcome to just kind of poke around and see if there's anything of interest to you. But basically that's it. The most important thing is that you have it all set up the way it is, with the clock, with the candle set to 1 minute, know how to access the pairs, know how to place the trade. And you can see here that we're going to switch back to the little banner, and then know how much time you have left. And again, very important, practice as much as you can within your demo account. You can always stop it up, and then basically it's going to ask for you to deposit more money. Maybe you can type in, let's say, 10,000, add, and boom, it adds 10,000 to the demo account. You can practice as much as you want. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.